This is the Huajiang Grand Canyon in Guizhou in southwest China. Yes, it's stunning, but for the longest time, residents there were cut off. No signal, no internet. The thing that finally connected these remote villages to the rest of the world wasn't a truck or a road. It was a drone. Not the kind that takes pretty pictures, but the kind that does work humans simply cannot do alone. So what is the problem? You see, radio signals do not like rocks. In a deep canyon, the stone walls absorb everything. Engineers needed to place 4G and 5G base stations on top of the cliffs and on the world's tallest bridge. But you cannot drive up there as the terrain is so steep and it is too dangerous to carry heavy equipment on foot. This is where the drones come into play. Think of it as a flying crane. A heavy 5G antenna is strapped to a drone. They fly it straight up the cliff to the exact spot. Then professional climbers on ropes grab the equipment and bolt it into the rock. Drones deliver, humans install. That is how they built a digital bridge across the Huajiang Grand Canyon. So what changed for the people living there? Everything. Take a village called Xiaohuajiang. Before the signal arrived, it was quiet. Now it has 19 homestays and revenue is up 3 to 4 times. Tourism is thriving. People who left for the city are coming back to run enterprises. Farmers are live streaming their produce. Agricultural sales are up 15%. A single signal bar turned a local stall into a global market. And it's not just about money. There is an ancient art form here called Dixi Opera, over 600 years old. The older generation knew it. Now they live stream the performances. Young people are watching online and some are even moving back home to learn it. The physical bridge across the canyon turned a 2-hour drive into 2 minutes. But the digital bridge did something even bigger. It gave people a reason to stay and a reason to come back.